Okay, so I wanted to test this out outside. So I'm testing it outside. It's actually windy, so we'll see how it copes with the wind. But I thought I would review two things at once. So I'm going to review the Fitbit Versa 2 and the GoPro Max camera. Now, I've only had the GoPro Max for a couple of days, so this is kind of a preliminary review. And I'm not a professional video person, so I'll take that into account. The Versa 2, I've had this will be my second week, and I'm not an athlete, so I didn't test any of the athletic stuff like workouts and crap like that. But I will tell you why I got it though. I got it because Android watches weren't kind of doing it for me, so I want to try something different. Plus, I liked the sleep tracking and the step counter stuff on here. So I'll tell you the good first. The good is that it definitely tracks your sleep, which is nice. The battery definitely lasts about a week, which is also nice. And the notifications come through wonderfully. Text messages you can respond to, and it's pretty good. Probably not as good as Google, but it's pretty decent when you respond. You can do a recording of the response, so to speak. But you can't initiate a text message. So initiating a text message is not possible. Reminders, you can try to set a reminder. You can say things like, remind me to call the pest guy tomorrow at noon, and it will do that. But if you say, remind me to call Jim at 5 o'clock, it's gonna come back and say, who the hell's Jim? I don't recognize that name. So there, it's kind of poor. Let's see, what else do I like about this watch? I like the notifications, I like the time, I like the way it presents the notifications. With Android notifications, when you dismiss one and you want to keep the rest of them, you slide it back up there, and then when you get another notification, all the notifications show up. With this watch, when you get one notification and you want to keep it, you swipe it back up. If you get another notification, it just shows you the new notification, and you can swipe that one away, which kind of subtle, but I like it. Something I don't like about this watch is the fact that the button, hopefully I'm panning over there and you can see it, the button is on that side of the watch. Now I wear this on my left wrist, so I would prefer the button on that side, but you can't change the orientation of this watch. Watch band, not bad. I wish it was more rubber, but anyways, it's not bad. Let's see, that's about it. The GoPro Max, I'm filming this in 360 and I'm going to edit it. I did a test video the other night and I was actually able to edit it on my phone, and it was really cool and really easy to do. So I'm going to be able to edit this on my phone, and I'm freezing my ass off, so I'm going to go inside. Okay, have any questions or comments? Please let me know.